Why we clap our hand to show approval? Why this sound is like a universal sign to say, great job. Biologically, it makes no sense. But our evolution says something else. Clapping is basically our brain's way of saying, I like it and I need everyone in a 5-mile radius to know it. But when did it start? And why we still do it? Turns out clapping is used since ancient time. Even chimpanzees also do it. They do it to get attention, warm up, or to say, yo, I'm hyped. But when early humans start clapping, it was less about celebration, more about communication. Yes, the sound was loud enough to grab people's attention when it's needed. But then over time, it got adopted into rituals, performances, and then boom, social reward system unlocked. Then our brain started linking clapping with approval. It's like a mini dopamine hit, not just for the person getting clapped for, but also for the clapper too. And then it became contagious. But have you ever noticed how one person clapping triggers everyone to follow? It's basically called social synchronization. Well, basically it's peer pressure with rhythm. And that's why we still clap today. Not because it is practical or logical, mainly because somewhere deep in our monkey brains, we are programmed to clap and make sound in the air to say, that was pretty much awesome. So yeah, basically clapping is just a caveman code which got evolved with time.